Hey everybody, it's Allison, and welcome back to the Una Mundum YouTube channel. Today for Friday 5, I'll be telling you my top 5 Canva tools. So Canva is a very versatile site and I personally love it because it's free. There is a pro membership called Canva Pro, but honestly the amount of resources that are available for free is amazing. So this is a really great tool to utilize in your schoolwork, if you have any volunteer work, if you're running some sort of campaign. So these are, as I stated in the intro, my top 5 Canva tools. Starting off, they have a ton of different templates for you to choose from. So a lot of times, if you don't have too much of a background in graphic design, it can be a little daunting to be in charge of designing something. But Canva makes it so easy for you. You can choose from all sorts of different templates. So you can choose presentations, and there will be basically PowerPoints, but just fancier. It could be social media, so there's posts, stories, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all sorts of things. And then on this sidebar here, there's a ton of different options. So if you want business, there's all these different types of templates. If you want it to be marketing, you can have flyers, infographics, business cards, menus, all sorts of things. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose an infographic. And then once you get into here, there's a whole bunch of different options, a lot of different vibes, different aesthetics. You'll be sure to find what you want. Just make sure that it doesn't have this little crown logo in the bottom corner, because that means it's only for Canva Pro. Sometimes the really fancy ones like this one here, they're gonna cost you money, but you can still find really good templates that are free. For example, this one is so cute and it's free. So the next thing I want to draw your attention to is the amount of graphics and stickers that you have available to you. So you're gonna go up here to elements and you can use any of these graphics you want. You can search things, say I want a cactus, and then there's a whole ton of different options. These are more like clip art. These are just public domain that you're allowed to use on your design however you choose to do. Next up, if you want to add pictures, you can either use the ones that are already on here, which honestly these are really good quality. Of course, some of these once again have a little pro icon on them. Just make sure to stay away from those, or if you want to pay for the pro, that's great. But as you can see here, there's a ton of different pictures. You can also upload your own pictures, so you can put things from your social media accounts, or you can put this upload, which will bring you to your computer files. I'm not going to open that just for privacy's sake, but it will be the normal pop-up for whenever you're trying to upload files literally anywhere. It's just the same pop-up. Next, in addition to the actual graphics, there's also lines and shapes, which you can drag and drop and make it whatever color you want. So here you can go, and there's even, you can use this color gradient. And finally, another great feature is this whole share button. So you can share with people on Canva. So it's very similar to the Google Docs sharing process. And then you can save it as any file type. So this is really helpful if you have certain limitations on where you're trying to send your infographic or whatever you happen to be making. So you can save it as a PDF, a JPEG, which is good for sharing, a PNG if it has a transparent background, you want to use PNG. And I really like this because overall Canva just has such a wide variety of different tools. Next, I'm going to show you an example of something that I made with Canva and all the different tools I used to make it. So this is my project that I did with Canva, and for this I used a template, it was just a recipe template, but I completely customized it to be what I wanted it to look like, to have the categories that fit my assignment, and it's really versatile. And then here you can see I used the graphics, but I also uploaded my own pictures, and there's also a ton of different fonts to choose from. So I use this fancy font, and then this plain font, and also this font. And a really nice thing about having these templates is you don't have to worry about the aesthetics of anything. It's all taken care of for you. You just have to plug in your own information. Alright, that was my top 5 Canva tools. As always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and check out our website at unamundum.org. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, make sure to email us at team@unamundum.org. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.